Hola, bienvenidos. Welcome to lesson number 1. Come with me and let's see what we're going to learn about today. Vamos a ver. Theme 1 is all about communication. And by communication, what I mean is if you're talking to somebody in Spanish, that they understand your key messages. Yeah, you might make some mistakes. That is not a problem. The main idea behind this whole channel is that you are able to communicate effectively, so you're understood. It's fine to make mistakes. And so in this lesson, all about greetings, lesson 1, we're going to learn simple language such as hello, being able to say good morning, ask people how they're feeling, understand that there's a difference between formal and informal language, and of course say our farewells. As soon as we are able to, I'm going to be trying to get you to use full sentences because obviously single words only have so much impact. And by the end of this lesson, you'll be very familiar with all of this language and you'll be able to use it confidently. Before we get going, I need to share one thing with you. It drives my students at school crazy, but I am renowned for saying vamos, vamos, let's go. As you can see in the top left-hand corner, I've tried to outline how long each lesson will last approximately, but of course it depends on how much extra work you are willing to put in, hopefully a fair amount. So today this should take roughly 20 minutes. So we're going to start off with some vocabulary about greetings, and I think it's really important that when you're learning vocabulary you really do need to read the words, even if you're not sure how to pronounce it yet. You need to say it out loud. You need to repeat it, you need to recognize it, you need to be able to spell it, and you need to do all of these things on a cycle, so you need to keep repeating them, okay? So this might be your opportunity to take a snapshot of this page because you're going to need it for the remainder of the lesson. And let's go through some pronunciation. So first of all, our greeting for hello, we're going to say hola. So you need to read the word, you need to say it out loud, repeat it a few times, and we will revisit it. Okay, so again, hola, gracias, gracias. You'll notice the C and the I makes a th sound, th. You're welcome. De nada, de nada. Please, por favor, por favor. Welcome, which we've seen a few times already. Bienvenido, bienvenido. And you'll notice that the V is pronounced exactly like a B. Bienvenido. See you soon. Hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. We don't pronounce the H in Spanish. Listen again. Hasta pronto. Have a nice weekend. Que tengas un buen fin de. Que tengas un buen fin de. Que tengas un buen fin de. Okay, let's see how many of those words you can recognize already. So I'm simply going to read a word in Spanish and I want you just to locate it and out loud say in English what the meaning is. Okay, so here we go. Por favor, por favor. So hopefully you have said please. Hasta pronto, hasta pronto. See you soon. Gracias, gracias. Thank you. Que tengas un buen fin de. Que tengas un buen fin de. Have a nice weekend. Hola, hola. Hello. De nada, de nada. You're welcome. One more. Bienvenido, bienvenido. Welcome. Okay, and on this occasion, I'm going to say a word in English and I'd like you to find the corresponding word in Spanish and just read it out loud for me. So, here we go. Welcome. Bienvenido. Thank you. Gracias. See you soon. Hasta pronto. Hello. Hola. Have a nice weekend. Que tengas un buen fin de. Okay, hopefully you did a good job with those. Let's move on to the second column. Vale, okay, hopefully you did all right with that. We're going to move on to column 2. So you're going to repeat after me, please. So we've got good morning. Buenos días. Buenos días. How are you? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Another way of saying how are you, this is a formal way, so you would say this to somebody to whom you're showing respect. ¿Cómo está usted? Quite a mouthful, this one. ¿Cómo está usted? The informal way of saying this, however, to your friends, to family, ¿Cómo estás? So the main difference is you've dropped the S from here. So how are you, the polite version. How are you, the informal. So, ¿Cómo estás? Or, ¿Qué tal? Goodbye. Adios. Adios. And remember, from the introductory video, a means to, Dios actually means God. So when you say adios, you're saying to God, or go with God. Have a nice day. Que tengas un buen día. Que tengas un buen día. You will notice that the beginning of have a nice is the same as you saw in column 1. Que tengas, that you have, so have a nice. Que tengas un buen fin de. Que tengas un buen día. You'll notice the word día for day also features when you say good morning. Good day, we're saying literally. Hasta la vista, baby. Don't say baby. Hasta la vista. Or, for see you later, hasta luego. Luego. Hasta la vista. Hasta luego. Okay, so I'm going to say a Spanish word from the right-hand column, and you're just going to shout out the English. I mean, it's great. You can shout out as much as you want, really. You're not in class or anything. You're not going to get told off. Okay, here we go. Adios. Adios. Goodbye. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? How are you? Que tengas un buen día. Que tengas un buen día. Have a nice day. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Was that formal or informal? ¿Cómo estás? It's informal. So saying it to a friend. Buenos días. Buenos días. Good morning. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. See you later. And again, the quickfire round, when I say the word in English, you are going to find the corresponding word or words in Spanish, and you're going to shout them out like you just don't care. Here we go. Good morning. Buenos días. How are you? Informal. ¿Cómo estás? Or, ¿qué tal? Goodbye. Adios. See you later. Hasta la vista, baby. Or, hasta luego. Have a nice day. Que tengas un buen día. Vale, okay, vamos, let's move on. Vale, okay, next activity. For this activity, I've used the same Spanish words, same greetings, only I've removed some of the support for you. I know, bad teacher, right? Your job is to quite simply read the Spanish and then say out loud what those words mean in English. This might be a good opportunity to take a snapshot. Vale, okay, let's see how you got on. So, hola, hello, gracias, thank you, de nada, you're welcome, por favor, please, bienvenido, that's already done for you, that's too easy, hasta pronto, also done for you. Que tengas un buen día, que tengas un buen fin de, have a good weekend. Buenos días, good day or good morning. ¿Qué tal? How are you? ¿Cómo está usted? Is how are you? Hopefully you remembered that's the formal way of asking, so showing somebody respect. So it could be an elder, it could be, I don't know, your doctor, for example. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? That's informal, so that's what you'd use with people you're friends with. Adios, goodbye. Que tengas un buen día. Have a good day. Hasta la vista. Hasta luego. See you soon. Hopefully you did alright, folks. Let's move on. Vamos! Okay, another opportunity to take a snapshot or just to pause the video. But what I'd like you to do, please, I've put these words together to form some short sentences, but what do they mean? A few extra words there as well to challenge you. Okay, I'm going to come back to you very shortly and we'll go through the meanings. TikTok. Off you go. Vale, listos? Okay, ready? You might have noticed that I keep saying the word vale. Vale means okay. Happy face. Happy emoticon. Vale. Let's have a look at these answers. So, number one, número uno. Hola, buenos días, ¿qué tal? Means hello, good morning, how are you? Number two, número dos. Fantástico, gracias. ¿Y cómo estás? So, fantastic, thanks. And how are you? This word here, y, it is a word, it means and it's pronounced y. Número tres, number three. Muy bien, que tengas un buen fin de. Adiós. Very good, have a good weekend. Bye. Okay, so how did you get on with that, folks? Hopefully you did a good job. Let's move on again. Vamos. Vale, finalmente. Hopefully you know that vale means okay. Any ideas what finalmente means? Yep, you're right, it's finally. So finally, here's the list of vocab that I gave you at the beginning of lesson one. And I'm just going to leave you with that. Again, take a snapshot or pause the video and call out for me, please. Out loud, shout it out from the rooftops if you want to, from your balconies. What do these words mean? I'll come back to you in a couple minutes. Good luck. Buena suerte. Vale. ¿Listos? Okay, ready? Let's go. Hola. Hello. Gracias. Thank you. De nada. You're welcome. Por favor. Please. Bienvenido. Welcome. Hasta pronto. See you soon. Que tengas un buen fin de. Have a good weekend. And the last column. Buenos días. Good morning. ¿Qué tal? How are you? ¿Cómo está usted? How are you? But the formal version. ¿Cómo estás? Another informal way of saying how are you. Adiós. Goodbye. Que tengas un buen día. Have a good day. Hasta la vista or hasta luego. See you later. Y finalmente, and finally. I mean, look at this. We've got candles, plants, not quite like being in class, health and safety and all that. Here are a few words that we covered today that are not on the screen. So I just thought it might be a good idea to check our understanding. And of course, you can make a note as we go through. So we've got the word y, which means and. Vamos. That's right. Let's go. Vale. Okay. ¿Listos? Ready? We'll talk about this pesky little creature another time. Finalmente. That's right, finally. And one of the last things I said, buena suerte. You might recognize the word buena because we've already had have a good day, have a good weekend. This actually means good luck. Vale, that's it for lesson one. Thank you for joining me. Hope that was useful. I hope you learned something new. Come back for lesson two where we're going to be learning all about inference and you are going to be able to understand whole texts of Spanish. I hope. No, you will. I promise you. I have faith in you. Have faith in yourselves. Hasta luego. See you soon.